Hi everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll continue data sufficiency in different model as we already started in the last session. Let's continue the last session, that is the second model in this data sufficiency. One is some standard options will be given, and the another one is options are different. Maybe either 1 and 2 statements, or else 2 and 3, all 3, and by combining all 3 also you will not get the answer. So these kind of questions may also ask, right? Let's see the first question in this session. How many sons does X have? This problem is belongs to blood relations, right? How many sons does X have? That is the question he is asking. Now first option is only 1 and 2. If you combine only 1 and 2, here in 1 and 2, if you observe carefully, X is not there. In 1 and 2 statements, option X is not there. In 1 and 2 statements, X is not there. So definitely you will not get the answer by combining both 1 and 2. By combining both 1 and 2, you will not get the answer. Now let's see 2 and 3. Option B is 2 and 3. Now let's see, in 3 we have X, so you can combine both. R is the sister of P and U. R is the sister of P and U. It means that both P and U, these two are siblings to this R. These three members are siblings. And third one is R and T. R and T are daughters of X. R and T. These two members are daughters of X. So, according to these two statements, if you combine second one and third one, how many sons does X have? Here we don't know these four members are siblings by combining both 2 and 3. So, we know that R and T both are daughters of X, but we don't know both P and U. These are children of X. We don't know the gender of P and U. So you cannot say exactly how many sons does X have. So option B also eliminated. Next, option C. Combine all three. Combine all three. Now if you combine all three, first one also, Q and U are brothers of T. Q and U. This is U. U is a brother. Q is also a brother. Q is also a brother of T. It means now all these five members are siblings. How many sons does X have? How many sons does X have? Here we don't know the gender of P. We don't know the gender of P. We know the gender of Q, R, T, U. But we don't know the gender of P. So you cannot say exactly how many sons does X have. Either 2 sons or else 3 sons. If P is female gender, 2 sons. If P is male gender, 3 sons. So you cannot say exactly, even though you are combining all 3 statements. So you can eliminate option C also. And 1, 2 and 3 together are not sufficient. That is our answer. By combining all 4 also, we will not get the answer. That is the required answer for this question. By combining all 3 together are not sufficient to get the answer. Option D is the right answer. Let's move on to the next question. See here. How is the girl in the photograph? How is the girl in the photograph related to Kunal? See, guys, whenever these kind of questions, for these kind of questions, in the given options, this either or is there. You have to be very much careful about this particular point. Either only 3 or only 1 and 2. It means by combining 1 and 2 or else only 3. By using these two combinations, definitely you will get the answer. That is the meaning of this option. You have to be very much careful about that. See, while you are checking by option verification method, see, only 1 and 2 is there. If you are getting the answer by using only 1 and 2, sometimes there is a chance that You people may directly keep this is the answer, option B, right? So you have to be checked out only 3 also. Why? Because there is an option called either only 3 or only 1 and 2. You have to be very much careful. And also any 2 of 3 means it is a combination of 1 and 2, it is a combination of 2 and 3, and it is a combination of 3 and 1. By using any 2, definitely you will get the answer. By using any 2, you will get the answer. That is the meaning of that particular first option. Now, first I will check it out with only 1 and 2. First I will check it out with only 1 and 2, or else it is better to go with only 2 and 3. Why? Because only 2 and 3 is not there. Only 2 and 3 is not there in option D. So if it is not possible, we can directly eliminate option C, right? Now if you see this one, only 2 and 3. Only 2 and 3. By using only 2 and 3, Kunal has no siblings. Okay. Kunal has no siblings. And coming to first, third one, pointing to a photograph, Kunal said, what Kunal said? She is nothing but this, she represents the girl in the photograph. Only daughter-in-law of my mother. Only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law of my mother. My mother. My indicates Kunal. So, always will start with my. My is indicating Kunal. Kunal's mother, this person. We don't know gender as of now. We should not fix the gender by using names. Even though Kunal is male gender, you should not fix the gender of Kunal by using a name of the particular person. See, Kunal's mother. After that, for this mother, only daughter-in-law. Only daughter-in-law means it itself indicating that Kunal is male. So obviously this person, girl is, she is the daughter-in-law. She is the daughter-in-law. So by using only third option, you will get the answer, right? In case, if we assume that only daughter-in-law means Kunal is male gender, so obviously this person is daughter-in-law. In case if we assume like this, Kunal and Kunal mother, suppose Kunal is female gender, daughter-in-law means what? Sons. Daughter-in-law means son's wife. Son's wife is called as daughter-in-law. This person is girl. So how is girl related to Kunal? How is girl related to Kunal in the sense this girl? Here you will get the answer. But the thing is, you are combining both 2 and 3. If you are combining both 2 and 3, here in 2, we don't have, Kunal has no siblings. Kunal has no siblings. That is the reason why we can eliminate this one. If you see in this case, Kunal has a sibling. We should not think about Kunal has female gender. So definitely Kunal is male gender. That person is having that person's mother is having only one child. So that is Kunal. Kunal's wife is girl. So how is the girl in the photograph related to Kunal? That is your answer becomes wife. Your answer becomes what? Wife. So by using 2 and 3, you will get the answer, right? Even though, but whereas coming to only 3, you will not say that exact answer. Now I will combine 1 and 3, or else 1 and 2. Let us take 1 and 2. If you take 1 and 2, what is the second one? 1 and 2 pointing, second one is simple, that is no siblings for Kunal. Pointing to a photograph, Kunal said, she is the mother of, she represents the girl in the photograph, mother of my represents the person who is saying that particular statement, that is Kunal. Kunal's father only granddaughter. Kunal's father, only granddaughter. According to second one, Kunal doesn't have any siblings, so obviously granddaughter means Kunal's daughter, granddaughter, and mother, granddaughter's mother in the sense, if you take this one, granddaughter's mother, this person, wife of Kunal. That person is girl. That person is a girl. We cannot assume Kunal is female. So, because of that reason, Kunal is different, girl is different. If you take here itself, Kunal is a female gender, both are overlapped. So, because of that reason, Kunal is male gender and girl is female gender. And these two members are wife and husband. How is the girl in the photograph related to Kunal? Obviously, the answer is wife. So, by using 1 and 2, you are getting the answer. By using 2 and 3, you are getting the answer. So, it means that obviously your required answer is option A, any of the 2, 3, right? See, I will check it out with only 1 as well as 3. If you take 1 as well as 3, then also you will get the answer by combining both these. Then also you will get the answer 1 and 3. So your required answer is any two of the 3. Option A is the right answer. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much for watching.